Alright guys, so it's been 48 hours already, and as you can see the results we have here, we currently have about 18 purchases. You can see 15 on this, and 3 here, that's about 18, and we've had some offline as well, so um, it's quite more than this. I can't really remember the ones we have offline now because I'm not the one managing these orders. One of my customer representative is handling this, but I was told she had some um, orders offline. But let's just go with what we have here. So 13 that we have here right now. What I've seen here is that this CBO campaign is not really performing well. It's over 24 hours, and it only brought in 30 sales at $24 spent on it already, which is not really cool. You can see the cost per result, seeing $7, that's almost $8, 10, 7. So it's not really producing the result that I want. Whereas if we look into this first one that we had, these ad sets here, the celebrities and brand ad set that we did stacking with, only brought in one purchase, and the cost per purchase is around $6, which we are going to turn off, by the way, because it's we are just spending money on it and we're not getting good results. So far where we are seeing result is from this niche flex targeting and this niche broad targeting. So we've had 6 orders each, and this niche flex targeting is giving us really better results, like really nice results, at about $2 per purchase, which is pretty really awesome, really awesome. This is giving us really good results. So what I want to do is, for this campaign, this CBO flex campaign, we are just spending on it and it's not really producing the result, the desired result. So I'm going to turn it off. All right, and I'm going to go into this campaign and duplicate this flex targeting ad set. So I'm just going to duplicate that, and we're going to use a new campaign for it, and let's name it niche flex. Okay, so let's say V shape. It takes really quite a while for them to approve this, probably because it is quite a fresh ad account. That's why I'm having them taking so long time to approve the campaigns. Okay, because that's what I've been experiencing. So when you have a fresh account, it's going to take a while for them to approve your campaigns. Okay, so let's just duplicate this, and what I want to do is I'm going to be spending $15. Okay, I'm going to be spending $15 on this daily. Okay, I'm still trying to, okay, the default puts $20, but I'm going to make it $15. So we're going to be spending $15 daily on that. Ad set name, of course, let's leave it at flex. Just say flex targeting. Okay, so it doesn't just look so much alike with the other one we have. Okay, so let's go ahead and publish this. Okay, so once it's published, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back in here to our campaigns, and I'm going to filter. So this is in review now. This is the one we just created. This is the campaign we just created, but it's the budgeting is from the ad set level, so we are not doing campaign budget optimization for this. If you are doing campaign budget optimization, you can just have just um, this. The more you for you can do your testing using more ad set with different interests and all that. Remember, this is just the more you test, the more you test different interests, the more results you are going to have. Okay, okay. Let's just do the breakdown and. Let's do placement. So I'm going to break down by delivery. Okay, so I want to do platform. So we can do platform, and we see where our results are coming from, if it's Facebook or Instagram. So for this broad targeting, we can see that we are having more results from Instagram. Okay, and for this niche place targeting, we're having more results from Facebook. So it's almost like a tie here. Okay, so this is giving us, look at what we're spending on Facebook to get 4 sales. Look at what we are spending on Instagram to get 4 sales. Okay, so Facebook is actually giving us really great result. Look at the cost per result on Facebook here, and cost per result on Facebook on this. Okay, so this campaign is really an awesome campaign that we can scale. Okay, so this alone, we can even spend more money on this and we'll have really awesome results. So let's see, once that campaign is approved, then we see how it runs. Okay, because so far here, this is really good. These results here, look at the cost per purchase. This is really awesome. This is really great result. Okay, I'm not going to kill this yet because we are still profiting. Okay, we are still profiting from this, so there's no point killing it. Okay, so but this niche flex targeting is really giving us awesome results. Okay, another thing, let me do breakdown by device. So let's see. Let's do platform and device. Let's see where those sales are coming from. Okay, so we have Android. So Android, one iPhone, Android, one iPhone, Android. So our sales are coming mostly from Android. So Android are the people who are buying our products. Okay, so um, the next scaling. Okay, so once this one is once the new campaign we just created now has been approved and it runs for 24 hours, we are going to optimize using placement. Okay, so using device placement. So we are going to target people who browse using Android um, phones. Okay, so that will help us spend better. Okay. So let me see time of the day that people are actually making their purchases. So right here, this one is around 4, this is around 12. This is spread out. Okay, like we don't have to bother so much about that. Okay, so that's basically it. That's basically it. There's no more other kind of optimization than we can do. So placement and device are what we can do. So if you're doing something like this, you can even do like I said, you can, let me remove this. Okay, so what you can do is you can have different interests. Okay, wow, this is cool. That was so quick. They've approved it. That was so quick. Maybe because I've been I've started. They've seen that I'm running ads and they've not been having any issues. So that was really quick. So we're going to watch this for next 24 hours and see what goes on. So far we spent 64 $67, okay, which is pretty cool. Okay, if not for the fact that this actually wasted our fund, but this is the testing phase. Okay, this is the testing phase. So while we test, we are going to know which of the ad sets, which interest we have to focus on, and all that. Okay, so that's how this all works. Okay, so let's see how it turns out in the next 24 hours. So let's see how things turn out in the next 24 hours. So I'll see you guys in the next 24 hours.